It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's the son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like, them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Me I go say this. Any kids who came in contact with this homosexual teacher, pedophile teacher, please report it to your parents, report it to the police, report it to the Prime Minister. Because this guy right here is one of the most diabolical. We not even know how to describe it. He is one of the most vicious, even though he didn't kill any child, but he pretty much killed their hopes and dreams. When you're in a class or a school turning these young men into gay young men, now this is straight up bullshit. So I'm asking anybody who came in contact with this guy, please contact me. Don't be afraid to contact me. I'm gonna put my number up and y'all can contact me. With that said, let's go. I talked about the dirty teacher who is performing sexual acts with young boys in the classroom in St. Lucia. Well, you know, today I got a series of video from a school in Soufrière, and I was very much appalled. Now, what is going on with the education minister and the school executive them, like the people them on the school board? Because guess what? If my child or kid was going to a school like this that I'm about to highlight, I would flip the fuck out. If my child is going to a school and you have a pedophile teacher screwing off these young men, and then you have a principal who is hiding them, hiding the pedophile teacher, and gave him a tip off so he could exit the country. Listen, it would be some really, really, really serious problems in St. Lucia if that was my child going to any one of these schools. Now, with that said, I am going to show a picture, and I have to blur the picture out, but I'm going to explain the picture to y'all. I'm telling everybody I am pretty much disgusted. I'm pissed off when at the shit I be seeing coming out of St. Lucia school. And editor boss say, you know, Countryman, you need to tone down the bad words and stuff like that. But yo, listen, I want to cuss up here bad word from the one, yeah. But may I keep it toned down. But listen, I am very, very upset with these things coming out of the school. Now you have frog face, you have all these politicians, all of them dirty politicians there that's stealing the money from the people them. Would any of them stand up and do something about this? What the kids them are doing? You have pedophile teacher. You have over-sexualized kids. What's going on? I am very, very effing and B-clad upset, yo. So, yo. Now, this is a decent young man. You see him standing there taking a picture at school. And, this picture, it looks harmless. Well, I'm going to show you what's going on in Soufre School. And like I say, I'm going to show you guys the whole picture. Check this out. Now, this is the same picture, but I had to blur his face out and I blurred the bottom out. Do you know this young man took a picture at school with his balls hanging out of his pants? I have the picture. If anybody wants to see it, they can hit me up in WhatsApp. My number is on the channel. My number is in this video. But yeah, this guy, imagine I'm sending my child to school to come out and take a picture like this with him seed bag hanging out. Where are the teachers? Where is the guidance counselor? Where is the security? I mean, I don't know what the fuck they have in these schools. Why is it even a school? It should have just be a fucking hangout. Now, somebody told me, that Lucia is the first country they came to and see kids turning rough in school. Yeah. And when he said that, I just couldn't understand what he was saying. But at a young age, according to Editor Boss, the Wild Wild West, this is what's happening in the schools in St. Lucia. And it gets worse. Let me show you guys this. Now, after seed bag man, that little boy there, that little young man there, a seed bag man me I call it. Now, after seed bag man, look at this picture right here. Can anybody see what's going on right there? It's actually a video, and I took the picture from the video and I blur it out. Now, Mr. Pierre, this is what's going on in your schools. The education minister, this is what's going on in the school. So my thing is, if this is going on in the school, can you imagine in the community? No wonder the kids them and the young youths them and the young girls them is the way them is, because it's pretty much unruly. Jamaica is a bad place. Jamaica bad. 3 million people on all sort of thing. But guess what? I have never seen this kind of extreme, which you have extreme behavior, but this kind of disgusting behavior where That girl in the classroom, I give a youth a blowjob. I send my daughter to school, and this is what she's doing. I send my son to school, and this is what he's doing. You have seed bag man, and you have blowjob queen. This is school, you know. This is in school. It's not done yet. Let me show you some.
Pa and head and message. And pa and chapo and pa and papo and pop on the ass and pop on the ass and give it to her. Head that. My girl just take it tack. Just wine for the cock. My girl just take it tack. My girl just.
So, you guys believe that? This is in school, you know. It looks like it's in a classroom. And look at what them people they are doing. Look at what they're doing. See, bend over and the youth are ram from back. It's like them in a party. It's like them in a dancehall party. Or one of them ready or what you want to call it. So many never know you have Dirty Fridays in school. Or what is ready? Dirty Friday, Uptown Mondays, dancehall party, where y'all are skin out in a school. This is a big effing disgrace. Listen, I am really upset. May I play it one more time? I couldn't see yo.
Pa and head and message. And pa and chapo and pa and papo and pop on the ass and pop on the ass and give it to her. Head that. My girl just take it tack. Just wine for the cock. My girl just take it tack. My girl just.
Never say it like this. You see the parents them, that's where it starts from. And parents gonna have to monitor the kids. No, I hope them pick me. I hope them parents see them, and I hope them family members see them carrying on like this in school. Seed bag man, you understand? That's a big disgrace. That is what your parents in you go school for. You have dirty wine queen, you have blowjob queen. All of them are in the school, you know. Can you imagine? Me see the thing and I say, you know what? We need to talk about this. It bothered me. Even when I was making the video today, I talk about bottom feeder, Jada Henry. Him is another bottom feeder, but that's where I did a video. But yeah. So parents, wanna step up. Cause listen, that's not how St. Lucia was. I know this for a fact. Believe me. I know how St. Lucia used to be. You understand? Just listen to me when I said that. And this is not the St. Lucia I know. Real sad.
What? You see what the people doing in the country? You pockets?
As you can see, very immature. Now, if you look at this video that I just played and the person fall off of the chair, there is a guy and a girl in the classroom, pretty much making love, and then the other people them on the other side videotape and fall off of the chair. Now, I don't know how y'all feel about it, about this video, but I know that I am pretty much disgusted, and I am effing pissed off, because for these kind of acts, you have pedophile teacher offer coffee the kids them and get tipped off by the principal, and then over there now in Soufre, you have the kids them gone wild. There is really not a school system in St. Lucia. I don't even know what to describe that as, because to me, it just look like them kids there fully done. I hope this shame them. Listen, my name is Countryman,